Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Skills with Shehreen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search domain on Hostinger and Namecheap, two of the most popular platforms for domain registration. Whether you are searching for a brand new domain name, checking its availability, or looking into expired domains. So let's start. First, open your Google account and type domain.com. Once you type it, now you scroll down and click on hostinger.com. Now this type of dashboard appear in front of you. I can show you how you can search for your desired domain name. Just like I want search about Event Trend 365 blogging website, which are actual mine, so I can search on it. Now you can see when I click on search, I type the name and search. Now you can see it's already registered. You can see it's already registered. Now if you want same name but IO in IO form, event2065.io, then you can get it. Let's you check it. In .com, it's available on $16.99. Online shop, it's $2.90. Pro, you can get it $8.90. Now I can search on it. eventtrend.com already registered, but it's available on other domain names like cloud, net, org, and many other. Now the second step, we can check it our desired domain on Namecheap. Now I can click on namecheap.com and type on there Event Trend 365 and click on search. Now you can see it's available or not. As you can see, just like Hostinger, not available, same as you can see it's not available. You can get Event Trend 365.events in $12, but I want in this name it's not available, so I can type just eventtrend.com. It's a premium. It's premium, that's why its price is too high, approximately $3,000 plus. Event.com is not available. So now the second and last thing I can show you, if I can buy domain of my channel name, just like this. I can type quick skill with Shehreen. I can type on there quick skills with Shehreen and search on it. Now you can see it's available. I can buy it on $11. Now you can see it's available in $11. It can available on also on other domain names, .com, .net. You can see with different prices. So don't take worry, you can get it. And now I hope you can see how you can set your desired domain. Hopefully this video is best for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tutorial. See you in the next video.